Okay. Hello, people. This is going to be a relatively short stream because I realized that I got scheduled for a meeting at 9 a.m. So that's going to interrupt our stream. Lay some bread on it. Well, we can lay some bread on it. Hopefully. That's a phrase I have not heard since I got banned from Twitch. All right. We need to rescue Sidney Coleman. And for that to work, okay. So we were saying last night, we need to go into this process macro block place. And see what's going on somehow. The problem is the C version of this is a gnarly macro that we are not going to appreciate. Nevertheless, all right. Okay. So for the first block, which we know is incorrect, well, we're doing this one, right? So PLMB case was this frickin' macro right here. Okay. So we're calling this I mean, so the dest index is just DI, and then it gets incremented. So what's DI? It's 0, of course. We're going to go, so dest in this macro is D, oh my god, all these one-letter variables. So like D sub 0 should get set to something as soon as I step. Okay. So D sub 0 goes to 95. D sub 1 probably. I don't know why. That's a very nice ASCII face, ASCII animal face. And then when we're here, it's like S S has the ASCII animal face. That's like, honestly, that's a pretty fortuitous pattern to see. I got banned for what? For laying some bread on it. I was on Twitch. I was trying to lay some bread on it. They were not having it. They were not having it. Okay, let's at least see for the other one if we get the same thing. For the same, hopefully we're doing the same image, output.mpeg. All right. No, we want decode macro block. All right. Wait, this is not even the same place. What is this one called? Process macro block. All right. Okay. So what is S here? S is a totally different animal face. Guys, this is not the same animal face. Yeah, like there's no way. If we don't get the same animal face input, there's... I mean, we have reasonable looking output here. So the question is, why? Why, Black Dynamite? Why? Times 0. Why is it times 0? Is this before the seek? Oh, we're in PLM seek frame, guys. I don't know why it would be different though, But this is not the actual target frame. Okay. So when we're seeking forward, we're doing some macro block stuff. Okay, we probably shouldn't be different there. But if I'm being honest, it'll be easier to debug if we go here. And then on the decode video, we go in here. All right. So again, oh, well, wait, we have the same. Why do we have the same face? Why are we decoding the same face that we already decoded? I don't get it. I guess we went straight to an iframe before and we're redundantly double doing the work. It's missing the first backtick. Oh, you're right. But it's basically the same face. But it's not. If I go backwards, it has a period. I don't understand this. Anyway, so we're going to go through this. Odd V is going to be also 0. So this is the case that does the things. And again, we have SI 7680, DI 7680, 95, 94, 93, 93. Now, when I go over to this one, we're not going to have the same face. That's just what it's going to be. All right. So we're going to go back here. And yeah, so really, like, this looks like reasonable data, but it's not the same data, and it should be. Is this the size of the array, not a pointer and a S64? It's probably fine. Let's go double check. But if it's a fixed array, where would that have been? Here? Where's the frickin' demux? This is the problem of multiple files. Yeah. So in the cases, this is the audio example, which isn't even the right one, but in cases where this is just like a C-style array in terms of size. It's fine. Mem set. These two, is that what we were? I thought there was a different mem set, but oh, I was thinking the mem copy. Block data. Yeah, no, this is just this is fine. This doesn't have a count and a data pointer. This is just the array, just like it's just 32, or it's just 64S32s. It's totally fine. Okay, but why black dynamite? Probably one of these is messed up, right? So frame forward is going to be different, right? I believe so. Let's see. Dude, visuals. All right. If I can't see this, oh, I can. Self frame forward. All right, so very straightforward so far. So frame forward is different for some reason. Watch it just be a signed versus unsigned problem somewhere. Where does frame forward happen? Is that in decode motion vectors? There's a thing where you decide what the target is. I remember that. Oh, right here. Video decode. So video decode picture. Wait, we're in that right now, right? We're in video decode picture. So we could look at like motion forward and all that stuff. I mean, where does this get filled out? So here we've just found this. This is very weird. I don't know. Okay. I mean, I guess this is where the thing happens. I don't like see the place where the data goes into the frame. I guess it's just let's see if the buffer is the same. All right, let's try that. So we're in video decode picture. somewhere. And we want to know video buffer. Self buffer? Yeah. Okay. So that's the same buffer. Look at that. False, false, true, false, true. Oh, wait. Close when done. Oh, we have an extra one. Close when done, false. Free when done, true. Has ended, false. Discard red bytes, true. Total size, 0. Okay. Bit index 96977. Okay, great. This is good news because this all looks the same. So we are good somewhere between where we are on the stack now and later on is the problem. I just don't understand where the data goes in. My brain isn't seeing it. Okay. I mean, this looks like a relatively minor thing. Oh, this doesn't look minor here. Is it in the motion vectors? Let's look at decode motion vectors. Let's just look at the data that we got. Motion forward. That doesn't... I can't see where anything is happening here, guys. So somehow this frame data gets filled out. I, for the life of me, do not see where that happens. This code is written to maximally obfuscate that. It's driving me nuts. I want to make some notes here. Slowness of buffer reading by bits and not liking the start code stuff, the weird start code stuff. Okay. Okay. I do look at some point we go from previous frame plus motion vectors plus some other stuff to a YCBCR buffer that we then convert to RGB. That YCBCR buffer is wrong. Where does it? I can't figure out where it actually gets set. Am I blind? Is it magic? Do the super fairyland fairies put the Y and the CR and the CB in there? Like, I don't understand. It would seem like video decode block, right? I mean, it sort of seems like here. Dude, if only I wrote unit tests for every function, we wouldn't even be 10% of the way through this port. All right. So, is this where we should look next? Video decode block. I don't even know where that is. So we have decode macro block. Is video decode block later? That's later. Oh wait, we're in predict macro block. So frame forwards macro block is already filled out and we're copying it, which by the way, what a slow ass copy, might I say. Oh my God. All right. What do we do? Okay. I still don't. I mean, I could resort to data breakpoints or something. That just seems really desperate. This is one of these hidden things, by the way. Like, this is one of these things about code quality. And it's one of the reasons why there's always just more work to be done in making code better. Like, any small piece of this code is pretty okay. Like, I can look at any piece of it and be like, yeah, I see what this function does. It's not that scary. Maybe this part is not ideal or whatever, right? It's not that bad. But when it comes to understanding the whole thing, it's just not, it needs more work in that dimension. Because, like, I know how video decoders work. I know exactly what I'm looking for, and I can't see it. And that's kind of a problem. It's like, that's like where some comments would help and maybe a little bit of refactoring would help. But that's not to bag on the code. Again, like, most code is way worse than this in terms of understandability. It's just ironic to me or something that, like, it all looks pretty simple and yet I can't find the thing that actually fills out this data. Like, why not? Like, why not? Why? It's so simple. We filled out this y vector or plane, right? It must have happened here because this is really the only place that we do it in video process macro block. Or, I mean, maybe here in video decode block. I don't know what block less than 4 means. Like, the variables are just, I don't know what does block less than 4 mean? I don't know. Like, this is like some flags, I guess. This is like some flags of what we're doing. Or is that, oh, this is like one little code or something? But, like, then for some reason, we go straight to the y plane. So, like, is this writing it? Maybe. Let's just try breaking here and see if we get here first. Nope. We don't get there even. But, like, maybe it's already filled out. So if I'm here, hold on, let's get rid of this. So if I'm here, so maybe the problem happens during the seek because you fill out the data, right? Wait, we don't want this yet. Okay. So PLM video, what the fuck is it called? Video buffer, video decoder. frame forward already has the wrong data. So it's during the seek that this happens. Okay, this is useful information. See, this one has the face. This one has a different. Okay, good. 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 So it's actually during the seek that the problem happens. So I don't know, maybe you're watching the Moscow talk. Oh yes, I was glad I got to go there and do that. It was a good time. It was a good time. I do not have good emotes. I need to make more emotes on this channel. Hello everybody. We're debugging some things. So there's a video decoder. Okay, the story goes back. It's all about a guy named Sidney Coleman who made a video that we are trying to decode. And at first it looked like this. And then we were like, that's not how it's supposed to look. And then now it looks like this, which is also not how it's supposed to look. But someday, if we're diligent, it may eventually, well, not play in Windows Media Player. So that's what we're working on. We have a C version of this video player that was written by somebody else. And that one works. And then the one that I ported into this programming language doesn't work. And so I am just trying to figure out why. Just trying to figure out why. And, well, when we're here, we should have an S here already, right? Is the S already wrong here? Because this is like during the seek. Wait. This is, yeah. So that we're back to the same problem. It's just during the seek instead of later. So like, maybe this will make more sense though if I try to step through it. So we have the wrong source data again. This is the Y data. Y, see there are 4 channels in the image. They're called the Y, the M, the C, and the A channels. And the Y channel provides the intensity, okay, of the dance. So again, its frame forward is not right. Okay. So this obviously happens before we get here because this doesn't fill that out. This function, we just do this, and then picture type is not B, so we go here. So it happens somewhere. I mean, I could just stop in here, and we could just see when that data gets set. Like if I do video frame forward, Y, okay, look. It's a 0, right? So let's just see when that changes. So we're stepping, we're stepping, we're stepping, we're stepping, 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 stepping. So we get our table. Okay, it's right here. It's video decode block. Right? No. Okay. Well, okay, let's return from video decode slice and see if it's set by that point. No. Wait, oh, we had a breakpoint here. No. Okay, so it's still not set. I mean, this is gonna set it though, right? No? I should have just done a data breakpoint. Okay. All right. Ampersand video frame forward dot y dot data 0. All right. I knew that because it put the address right there. So breakpoint. New processor. I don't know why it's called processor breakpoint, but whatever. 29A654D1680. EIEIO 29A654D1680. Great. Oh no, that's the address. Okay. It didn't hit it. Oh, because the data pointer changed. See, okay. We set the pointer to somewhere else. Okay, hold on. I deleted the previous thing. All right. We set the point. That was the wrong thing to check. All right. So video frame forward Y data. Okay. C++. Okay. Try again. OX 1A 83111 E3B8 1883 111 E3B8. Okay, did that do a thing? We're in VC runtime 140.dll. What? That's not very helpful. Okay, but that didn't actually... Let's get rid of this. That didn't actually do the thing. Aha. Okay, so it's just this, though. I mean, I should have looked at this. So it's really frame backward is wrong. Right? We knew that those were the same. Are they the same here? Yes. Okay, so it's really we need frame backward. It's fine. We're slowly creeping up on it, so we're going to do the same thing. Frame backward. OX 283297A5B18. Oh, because we actually do just point the data in this case. All right, we're going to get there. We're going to get there. OX 1D OD 4851680. It's, wait, it points different, but we didn't get it. What? So this is it. Oh, wait, let's put backward. Actually, that's the same thing. Delete that. Okay, we have the data 1680, right? Yes. Same. No surprise. Okay. The address of this is AEBO. And this is 1680, and we go. But I thought I checked. Let me try it again. I might have typed it wrong. Ampersand, video, frame, backward, wide data. Why can't I set a new processor breakpoint? Are you kidding me? They're disabled, dude. Are you maxing me out on number of processor breakpoints? All right. OX1B4F5728028. Okay, where even am I right now? Oh, God. So it's frame current. All right, let's check this. Oh, really? What? Okay, hold on. Let's go to the same place now. Deleted all my breakpoints. Oh. All right, well, so we have the frame current thing figured out. It's already been. almost an hour on the stream, which means I have to go to this call that I didn't know that I had. All right. So I only have like 20 more minutes here to figure something out before we have to pause the stream. We will try to do that though. You know what helps though in these cases? Carbs. Carbs helps the brain. If I had chai or cheesecake, we do have chocolate over there, so I can get some of that too. Okay, so I'm looking for this. So when we get here, I think self-frame current has the face, right? So we're just chasing, yeah. So now this is going to be wrong. This is good because somewhere between here and here, this gets filled out, right? So if I go to here, we have the face. All right, this is good. This is good. We're the closest to having the face. Okay. Okay. So, I mean, it probably is in here. Hey, how good is that? How good is that? We are finding it. Is this in Demux? What file? This is where I'm regretting that I broke this into files. Why is it not? Is it in here? What? Guys. Oh, it's video decodes. Decode slice. There we go. I was going crazy. Okay. So basically, if we run this one and we go here, okay, we have video frame current.y, and in the first video decode slice, it turns into the wrong thing. That's great. I mean, it's not great, but it is great. Okay, so is it in the first video decode macro block? Yes. Why is this so hard? Okay. So we can just check that we haven't checked any of this buffer read VLC stuff to make sure it's the same or anything like that. Okay. I'm sure glad we are resetting the motion vectors. It says PCR now. That's great. Right there. Okay. Okay. Let's just check from there. This whole loop, like I was saying last night, this loop skeeves me out. I don't like it. Let's just make sure that's the same. Okay. CBP 63 mask 32 block is going to be 0. I bet I did something really dumb. Maybe. All right. Anyway, just to double check, as soon as we come back from this, see here we have some stuff. we step over this, and we've got our face. Okay, see that? So that's good. Oh my God, I could have messed up so many of these things. Okay, let's go to there. Okay. So DCT size 6, plane index is 0, predictor 128. DCT size, plane index, predictor. Good so far. All right. So $33, that's already wrong. I messed this up, guys. I think that's wrong. $95. So differential is 30. We found a thing. Differential is 30. So is my cast just hosed? Did I do something? Did I do that? Hold on. This shouldn't be necessary. So to speak, let's see. $33, that's wrong, right? This one is 95. What? Okay. Minus 1 left shift DCT size is minus 64. Predictor 95. Okay. Predictor here is 128. So how are we getting 33 out of this? 33. It's suspicious. This is like minus 33. Okay, one of these intermediate values is wrong. So we could do this. This could be a compiler bug. It could be just a weird, unintuitive operator precedence thing. Okay, we're going to break this down. C is A or B. B is going to be differential plus 1, right? A is going to be... Wait, I put the minus in the wrong place, guys. I am a dumb butt. Maybe. Actually, no, I don't know. What is the precedence of unary minus relative to or in C? Are we doing minus this or that, or are we doing minus this or that? So you think it's doing this. That's what it looks like. Okay, we have the right answer now. So something here was different. I'm going to have to end the stream soon, so we're not going to figure out why this is different. That's going to be next stream. But what we are going to do is see how much we managed to rescue Sidney. Oh, we have to go back to the loop, but... Okay, this is better. Look, you could read the text now. You could read the text. There's some other things happening here, but these other things may be related. Like whatever the reason is why this is wrong, probably the same problem happens elsewhere, right? So let's just see. Let's go back to the full Sidney here. Right? We're going to go back to this loop for a minute. And we're just going to visualize and respect our progress, right? We're not done, but we got somewhere. How many frames of Sidney do we go? I think we go 100. All right. Here we go. Okay, well, the final PNG, it's still a little green. But you can see in the background, it's actually kind of the right color a little bit. And oh, wow, look at these. So this frame, perfect. This must be like the iframe or whatever, right? Look at this. Some of them are perfect. It's like 96. Look at that. That's Sidney, man. Sidney on frame 96 is rescued. And then as we extrapolate the motion forward, he gets more and more problems. Do you see that? Look at this. All right. 96, 97, 98. We just keep adding more green squares. 99, 100, 101. But that's good. So that means that the problem remaining is now just in the delta frames, right? It's not in the base frame decoding anymore, which is great. This is great. So next stream, probably later today, after this meeting, I'll probably pick it up. We will. Yeah, no, that's major. Okay, so the first thing we will do next stream is I will figure out WTF with this. Like, what is going on here? Why is this different from this? And I mean, it might be something really dumb. You know what I bet? I bet I'm doing unary minus in the wrong order. I bet unary minus has the wrong precedence relative to or. And we could make some simple tests for that. In fact, I almost guarantee that that's the case. I almost guarantee that. So we could just fix that in the compiler and then put back the code the way it was and see if it magically fixes the rest of Sidney. But okay, so our status now, we have intermittent Sidney. You know, he starts, he's occasionally okay. You know, like every 48 frames basically. No, every 16 frames. No, wait, every 24 frames. Every 24 frames, Sidney's fine. Right? Let's find frame 24. 12. Oh, frame 12. Every 12 frames, he's fine. Ship it. 24. Yeah, 12, 24. Where's 36? Why can't I find 36? 36. Oh, that's the Y frame. Where's the... What is Windows doing with the bitmap sorting here, guy? Why can't I see frame 36? There it is. Anyway, so we don't actually have to dump out the Y frames anymore because that's confusing. I don't know. Maybe it helps still. But yeah. We could actually put the Y after the number so that we get the two things together. That would be useful. Okay, since we got raided, we have to pay it forward and raid somebody else now. I would raid Sidney, but he is, alas, not currently a streamer on twitch.tv. We will be back later today. Who can we raid? Welcome to the game, online. Enterprise automation. Guys, sometimes it's so hard to know. Like, enterprise automation. We've done retro MMO lately. Who else? Somebody linked me a link. I'm going to click on it and regret it.
Oh, Lord.
It's the same person who spammed my channel who I banned. What is this? Oh. Hey. All right, we'll do this. Just let him know I might have found a unary minus bug. Yeah, the non-monospaced code is interesting. I thought about doing that before. See you later, everybody.